What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of Fireside Tech. I hope you enjoyed your week and are ready to learn something new, because today I wanted to show you two different ways you can go about adding a backup for your footage. Now, I'm sure most of you out there that do create consistent content already have somewhat of a backup workflow, so these are just two more ways you can add to that stack of backups you already have. But before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So if you didn't get a chance to see, this past Wednesday, we posted a video talking about a solution for the Canon 5D Mark IV, splitting up your files into multiple files after making a video recording. So if you're thinking about getting that camera, or if you already have that camera and you're running into that issue, go check out that video because that can definitely help you out. Since we're already on the topic of memory cards this week, I thought this would make a great video to really help stack up your backups. So all that you will be needing for today's tutorial is your computer and a memory card that you have some footage shot on that you need to back up before you start editing this project. So why don't we jump onto the computer and show you how this process works. Okay, so now that we have the memory card put into the computer, it's over here. What you're gonna wanna do is hold the Alt or Option button. And while you do that, you're gonna drag the EOS digital file over. And this is gonna make a duplicate of that memory card. So you can see over here that it's transferring this whole memory card right onto the desktop as a backup file of the EOS digital file. So we're just gonna let this run through. So now you can see right here, we're able to make this exact memory card copy right onto our desktop. So what I'm gonna do is open it up quick. And now inside here are all the photos that I had on the camera. And if you scroll through, I even had some video clips too as well. Now we're gonna select our memory card here at the top. This is the EOS digital. So here is all the footage that I have on that memory card. And what I'm gonna do is select the clips that I wanna use. Let's just say those are the ones that I wanted to select. So I hit Create Archive, and now I'm prompted with a screen here and I can save the name. So what I'll do for simplicity is just call this EOS Digital Copy. I'll just keep it on our home page and just hit Create. And now Final Cut Pro is creating a camera archive. You can see right here, we titled this the EOS Digital Copy, and the file size is 49 gigs. So now that we have created this camera archive, we can go back inside Final Cut Pro and hit the Import button. From here, you're going to want to find where you created your camera archive to, and I can see it right here, so I'm going to select it. Just double click, and you can see all the videos that we chose are right here. So we can choose to import these into the library now, and you can even select in and out points in case you don't want to import that whole clip. So that's another way you can back up your footage by creating a camera archive inside Final Cut Pro 10. That's all we have for today's computer portion. Let's jump back in front of that fire and wrap this video up. And there you have it. I hope everybody can now understand how you can add a couple more backups to your backup files to make sure that you're never losing footage. Because in the past, I've had an issue where I imported all the files into Final Cut Pro, I started editing that footage, got as much done as I could that day, came back the next day, and somehow a couple of those clips were not in the library when I went back the next day. So I'm not too sure how they got deleted, but I already formatted my memory card before, so there's no way to get them back. So this is good practice if you make multiple backups, have them on different drives, have them on different computers. This is really gonna save your footage, and if you're doing this professionally, it will save your job. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like if you did, comment down below if there's anything else you wanna see for Fireside Tech, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. I hope you enjoy your upcoming week and crush it. I can't wait to see you next Sunday back in front of this fire again. It's the Creative Fro, and I'm out.